In this video, let's discuss the truth about mortgage interest and how to pay it off early. With this knowledge, you can save a ton of money and pay off your mortgage years ahead of your schedule. Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Rahul Kotha, a mortgage agent in Ontario. I enjoy sharing what I am learning to help people improve their finances and make their dream home come true. If you know how money works, you will have a better shot at building wealth. I'll start this video by quickly showing you how the interest on a mortgage is calculated. Once you understand that, you will understand why the strategies I will show you next will work faster. Finally, at the end of the video, I have a summary table where it compares different strategies side by side on a different interest rates. This is going to be powerful stuff, so let's get into it. How interest rates affects a mortgage. When considering whether to buy a house or an apartment, people tend to focus on the monthly payments. Can I afford it? That's important. But they should also think about the interest rate on the loan. Obviously, the higher it is, the more you will pay. What you might not realize is how much money and interest you will pay back over the lifetime of your mortgage. To be fair, the banks don't take much effort to show you the interest costs that involve in your payments, which is hidden inside the payment. So let's start with this. Here is what you need to know. The monthly mortgage payment of a loan has two parts. First, obviously, you have borrowed money, so you have to pay it back. So first one is the borrowed money, which is called as principal. The second is you will be charged interest on the amount you borrowed. So whenever you make a payment, you will make principal, which is borrowed money, and the next is interest, which is interest on the principal amount that you haven't paid back to the bank. It's actually kind of shocking how much interest you will pay back over the life of the loan. In fact, depending on your interest rate, the amount of money you pay back as loan could be close to or even higher than the amount you borrowed, which is massive considering that you probably borrowed hundreds of thousands of dollars. Get this, if you borrowed $550,000 on a 25-year mortgage with an interest rate of 4%, you will pay back $317,000 in interest by the time you finish off the mortgage. At 6% interest rate with the same principal amount, you will pay $505,000 as interest. At 8% interest rate, you will pay a whopping $709,000 as interest over the life of the loan. Monthly payments and mortgage interest. In this example, we will assume a person takes out a 25-year fixed rate mortgage of $550,000 at 5.5% interest rate. I put these numbers to the top right of the table that I'm showing. Here you will be paying a monthly payment of $3,357. If we look at this table, out of $3,357, you will see how much money is going towards principal and interest. At the end of 25 years, you will pay $457,000 as interest. How to pay off your mortgage early? Let's see with these 4 strategies where you can understand how to pay off your mortgage early and reduce the interest on your mortgage. These examples were calculated taking a 5.5% interest rate on the borrowed amount. After finishing these 4 strategies, I will put together a summary table where I will compare the same amount at 3.5% interest rate and 5.5% interest rate. That is going to be interesting. So kindly watch the video till the end. First, making extra payments in addition to the normal monthly payments each month. In the first example, I just paid an extra $100 each month towards the principal on the monthly payments I made. The normal payment was $3,357 at 5.5% interest rate on the borrowed amount of $550,000. So I am paying a total of $3,457 just by paying an extra $100 a month. The 25-year mortgage got paid off in only 23.6 years. So it was reduced by almost 1.5 years, and we saved a total of $31,000 on the total interest. Remember, the extra money you pay every month reduces the principal amount, which reduces the interest charges. The higher the interest rate on the loan, the more you can pay to lower the interest charges. Even with the lower interest rates, although you save lesser interest charges, you will end up paying back your loan quickly. Number 2, here is another example of increasing your monthly payments. This time, if we increase the extra payments to $250 a month, the mortgage will get paid off in 21.5 years, saving 3.5 years of 25-year term and $70,000 in interest charges. Number 3, making one or more additional payments whenever you have some extra money. For example, using the same 25-year mortgage, let's assume we are paying only the regular monthly payment, but at every 12th month, maybe you get a bonus at work or just decide you have little extra money available. If you put $5,000 into the mortgage and no other extra payments, you would save $110,000 in interest charges and reduce the mortgage period by 5 years. Number 4, making accelerated bi-weekly payments, which is the most effective way of paying back your mortgages. This is dividing your monthly payments by half and paying back it every 2 weeks. Because you are paying every 2 weeks over the course of a year, you will pay 26 payments. Now remember, these 26 payments are equal to 13 monthly payments, by which you are making one extra payment every year. By doing this, you will pay off your mortgage in 21 years, and which would save $79,000 in interest. So what do all these examples have in common? Well, they are all different ways of making extra payments towards the mortgage to reduce the interest charges. If you do this, you can also save a lot of money and finish your mortgage early. Finally, here is the summary table of 4 mortgage payoff strategies showing 3.5% interest rate and 5.5% interest rate. Feel free to pause and look at the table. I'm not going to discuss this because it's self-explanatory. If you like the video, please return a favor by giving a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.